So hi guys, this is Varsha and you're watching Mastermind. So guys, as you've already seen in the title of this video, so this video is very important especially for class 9 and class 12 students as well as for class 10 students who are stuck at this particular moment. So first of all, talking about class 9 students, so we are going to discuss in this video about the class 9 to class 10 moving students. So you are going to give your board examinations in the year 2021, and at the same time we are also going to discuss about the present class 10 students, those who were giving their board examinations and your board examinations are not yet over and you have few subjects exams still remaining yet to be conducted and you're stuck at this particular moment. So you are class 11 moving students, class 10 to class 11 moving students, and at the same time very important for all those students who are going to give their board examination for class 12. That means class 11 to class 12 moving students. So we are going to discuss about that in this video. So do watch this video to the end, and if you find this video helpful, then do not forget to like and do share this video with your friends. So let us begin. First of all, to class 9 students and class 9 to class 10 moving students, so let me remind you that you have your board examinations in the year 2021. So you will have to prepare for your board examinations, and it is very important to utilize this time that you are getting at this particular moment, because due to this COVID-19, already due to this lockdown, there is so much of delay, and if you don't start with the preparation and if you don't focus from now onwards, then you are going to face lots of difficulties later on. So guys, it is very important that you will have to prepare at this particular moment for your board examinations, and if you are not aware of the syllabus for your ICEC 2021 board examinations, then what you will have to do, you will have to go to the official website of the council, that is ciace.org. You can go through the syllabus, what is the syllabus for your ICEC 2021 for your board examinations for your class 10, and I'm also going to provide the link of the website in the description box, so you can refer to that, and it is very important for you to start with the preparation and the syllabus for your class 10 बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस. एंड एट द सेम टाइम अगर बुक्स की बात करें तो आपके पास ऑलरेडी बुक्स होगा, बिकॉज क्लास 9 से अगर आप क्लास 10 में जा रहे हो तो ऑलरेडी आपके पास बुक्स है, बस आपको प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से करना है. लेकिन नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द क्लास 10 स्टूडेंट्स हु आर स्टक एट दिस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट एंड योर एग्जाम्स आर ऑल्सो नॉट येट ओवर एंड यू आर कंफ्यूज्ड वेदर टू स्टार्ट विद क्लास 11 preparation. So already many times I've said that it is very important for you to start with the preparation for your class 11. But here the main question is that we don't have the books for class 11. So what to do? We don't have the books, and at this particular time since there is lockdown, तो अब बुक्स भी अवेलेबल नहीं है और आपको बुक्स नहीं मिलने वाला. तो प्रिपरेशन कैसे करना है? तो सबसे पहले मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बना दिया था रिगार्डिंग द सिलेबस. तो यू कैन गो टू द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ द काउंसिल एंड यू कैन सर्च द सिलेबस फॉर योर ISC क्लास 11 एंड यू कैन गो थ्रू द सिलेबस. एंड गाइस, जो स्टूडेंट CBSE बोर्ड से पढ़ना चाहते हैं फॉर क्लास 11 एंड 12, सो यू विल हैव टू गो टू द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ CBSE, दैट इज cbse.nic.in, एंड यू विल गेट दिस सिलेबस. और अगर आप CBSE से पढ़ रहे हो देन यू कैन रेफर टू द बुक्स एंड ऑल. और साथ ही साथ इंग्लिश कॉमन है फॉर all the streams, whether you are going to take science, commerce or arts, so you can refer to that and you can prepare yourself. Now for all the students who are thinking to study in ISC board for class 11 and 12, so for class 11 if you don't have the books, so guys, if you don't have the books for class 11, so what you can actually do, you can take help from your seniors if possible, because you are not going to get books during this lockdown, and at the same time telling you that you can also take help from your siblings and all. Or else if you don't have the books, so what you can do for class 11 ISC class 11 and 12, you are going to follow the same book for your English, and at the same time English is common for all the streams, whether you belong to science, commerce or arts stream. So even I'll be making videos for your ISC class 11 English. Really you will have 3 books for your class 11 and 12. So first of all, you have a drama which is written by William Shakespeare, which is The Tempest, and you have 2 other books which is of short stories and poems. So you have Echoes and Reverie. So these are the 3 books that is there. So I'll be making videos on that, so somehow you can listen to the stories and it will be helpful, because it is very important for you to be in touch with the syllabus and at the same time your preparation. If you have books, so well and good, but if you don't have books, so it is very important for you to be in touch with the syllabus. You will have to start preparing for your ISC class 11. एंड एट द सेम टाइम आपका बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस का अभी से लेके 3rd मई तक, एक्चुअली आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट देयर इज गोइंग टू बी एनी पर्टिकुलर न्यूज फ्रॉम द काउंसिल दैट इज गोइंग टू बी पब्लिश्ड इन द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट, बिकॉज एज यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट देयर इज लॉकडाउन. सो इवन द काउंसिल कैन नॉट डिसाइड एट दिस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट अबाउट द एग्जामिनेशंस, वेदर इट इज गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड, वेन इट इज गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड, और आइदर इट इज गोइंग टू बी कैंसल्ड. सो देयर इज नो ऑफिशियल न्यूज फ्रॉम द काउंसिल. इज गोइंग टू बी डिसाइडेड बाय द काउंसिल ओनली आफ्टर 3rd of May 2020. So let's see what the council decides. So now for class 11 to class 12 moving students, so since you have your board examination for your class 12, so it is very important for you to start preparing. Please don't wait for anybody. You will have to start with the preparation for your class 12, because telling you that the syllabus for class 12, it is even more vast than your ICC class 10. So it is very important for you to start the preparation and you cannot be waiting for anyone. So guys, this is how you will have to be in touch with the syllabus, as well as you will have to start preparing for your board examinations for those who are going to have their board examinations, and for all class 10 present class 10 students, those who are stuck at this particular moment, and class 10 to class 11 moving students. Friends, this was the video. That's all for today. And besides this, if you have any doubts or queries, then you can write to us in the comment section. So friends, this was the video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please do give the thumbs up button and subscribe our channel Mastermind. Thank you.